Hey guys, this is Names with Names Repairs. Well, I'm not in the driveway fixing a broken Mercedes Benz or in my shed fixing a wiring harness from a broken Mercedes Benz. I'm in my bedroom. This is where all the editing happens. If you're new here, this is Names with Names Repairs. I fix cars on the driveway. But if you've already been here, then thank you very much for the support. I think the channel is heading somewhere else. I see the numbers rising, so thank you very much, guys. Anyway, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And if you already done so, you're a superstar. Well, what am I doing on my editing desk? Because today it's something different. Ireland is a rainy place. It rains, it snows, it blows wind. And at this day and age as well, I just can't do some of the basic repairs I need to be doing outside just because it's just not a suitable environment. I've got a young boy, and also my neighbors will start complaining sooner or later that there's too many cars outside or cars raving and everything else going on outside. It's not a business, it's a hobby, but this is Ireland. Rules and people's lifestyles is different. Fixing too many cars outside, people could start thinking that you're doing a business. Even if it's a hobby, they'll never know before somebody else or city council is knocking on your door. That's the problem. So really, I've got a surprise, but stay on until the end of the video and I'll tell you what this surprise is about because you're gonna see it on yourself. But anyway, I've gotta meet this guy. It's a 38-minute drive, so I'm gonna hop into the Benz and drive. Hopefully, everything works out well because I see growth in this YouTube channel. The numbers are rising. That means I am doing something that's reaching someone out there. So thank you guys for this type of support and love that you're showing me here. But anyway, without wasting time, let's hop into the Benz, drive for 38 minutes and meet this guy. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Sneak peek of the old Benz. We're going in this. The windows are so sweaty. Okay, we're here now. So this guy said it's gonna be 5 minutes. It's just a waiting game. This place looks exciting. Fingers crossed. I hope everything goes on well because I have encountered with this person before, but you know, if you're a long time subscriber of this channel, even though I don't have many followers, but then before, like there was an encounter with this person. It's just that the deal didn't go on well, but it's an exciting place where I am here, and there's a lot of cars. I think people have got a lot of cars around here, probably project cars. This place is pretty far away from everything, even the town. But you know what? When opportunity comes, sometimes you just gotta look away and take it. So we'll see how things are gonna go. This means a lot to me. That's why I'm trying to make it like a surprise to you guys. You know what I'm saying? So it really, really does mean a lot to me. And if it works out for the both benefit of me and yourselves as well. A good thing for the YouTube channel that I have going on here for the last couple of 2 years. It's really, really, really hard, but I'm not doing this for money or anything else. I do this as a hobby, and I would like to make a lot of friends in the automotive industry all over the world, actually. Like, I have a really good passion for cars, and I just think that maybe sometimes I'm in the wrong country for it, but sure, there is a lot of enthusiasts here in Ireland. I just haven't communicated with them yet. I see them and admire them from afar. A couple of YouTube channels that do automotive content. I do see them from afar and I admire them from afar. Some of them are successful, some of them are just beginners as I am, but I hope to see a lot of culture growing here because there's only one racetrack here. It's the Mondello Park, and I've never been there before because it looks like it's a very isolated place somehow. But you know, I can never say much about a place that I've never been there before, so there's no point in me saying much about this place. But anyways, we're here now. So this guy said he's going to be in 5 minutes. It's been over 5 minutes now. I'm talking here on his camera, but hopefully he makes it here on time. Okay, that's him. I have to go, and we'll talk to you after. I am super excited to introduce you to the new Names Repairs Temple. We will be worshiping in here, worshiping these Mercedes Benzes, the old, the new, bringing them back to life. It is not a very big space, but indeed it is enough. Better than the driveway when it's raining and freezing. I can close the shutter and still have enough space to work in here. So, without wasting time, this is the news that I couldn't wait to break to you guys. It's big enough because I can walk around here. And more space at the back. Not enough storage space, but I mean, I can put my little desk here on the corner. and that'll be it. Even though there isn't much storage space, but it's okay for now because all I need is space to work on the cars. I don't have big, huge equipment. Like, I'm not removing engines in here, so yeah, little by little, we'll start from here. Then we will get somewhere else. But of course, it's my own funding. Nobody's helping me with this. But sometimes if I can fund for other hobbies, why not the most hobby that I like, that's fixing these bloody cars, these Mercedes-Benzes, and any other cars that have been coming my way. This is the space without the car. It's actually big enough, and I'm super, super excited. Hey, any other enthusiast would like and dream of having a place like this in Ireland. It's so hard. Actually, in Dublin, it's also so hard to find a place for a reasonable and cheap price. But hey, I am super stoked. Thank you guys for subscribing to the channel. I am super excited about this place, and I hope you are excited too. 2023, new beginnings. What am I doing? I know I can't fit a lift in here, but what do I need a lift for? I'm just starting. I don't need a lift, I'm just starting. There's no need for a lift. Come on. This is everything I ever wanted. I'm going to leave the driveway now. Goodbye, driveway. So as for the wiring harness, I'm still working on it. And yes, I'll put the W202 in here just because, you know, I don't want it to continue rusting out there in the front garden. It's good for it to be inside here and being kept in nice dry storage until the beginning of next year in January. So in January then we're gonna be able to switch cars around, have 2 or 3 projects going on. I was thinking of something different from a Mercedes, but who knows what will come up next. Oh my God, who knows? There's a lot of exciting things that are gonna be happening here. But anyways, that is that. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace, and I'm out. Is here. Right, we're gonna try and put it in there now. You want me to go in?
You want to drive?
No, you drive.
All right. I need to push.
Come on.
Okay, my friend.
What's your name? I need to. MJ? Andre. Oh, Andre. Yeah. Sean. I need to take away this toe Kia and then put your real name.
Okay.
Because I saved it as Kia toe the last time.
Oh, yeah.
Hey guys, that's the Merc in here. Andre is going and I'm going too, but it's gonna be exciting. See you on the next video.